Hello. In this video, we're going to be discussing the law of detachment. Now, before we get into that, I want to talk to you about deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is using previously known information to be able to reach a logical conclusion. In the law of detachment, we know two things. We have an if-then statement, a conditional, that is told to be true, and then the hypothesis of that statement is true. If we know those two things, we're able to conclude that our conclusion is true. For example, in number 1, I have information that says, Keisha's mom says, we will stop for ice cream if you eat your vegetables. Keisha then ate all of her vegetables. What are we able to conclude from this information? Well, we know two things. We see our if, and so the phrase, you eat your vegetables, is our hypothesis. So that means the phrase, we will stop for ice cream, must be the conclusion. Now, in the next statement, we're told that Keisha ate all of her vegetables. So this occurred. The hypothesis happened. She ate her vegetables. So what are we able to conclude? Well, we can conclude that they stopped for ice cream. All right, in number 2, assume the same conditional is true. So if you eat your vegetables, then we will stop for ice cream. Now, the next piece of information that we're given is that Keisha's family stopped for ice cream. So now we assume that this part is true. So the conclusion occurred. So are we able to conclude something based on that information? I.e., can we conclude that she ate her vegetables? And the answer here is no. There's no valid conclusion. Just because the conclusion occurred in a statement doesn't mean that the hypothesis occurred to make that happen. Okay? The only thing that we know is when the hypothesis happens, the conclusion must follow. It does not work the other way. Okay? That's the deductive reasoning and the law of detachment. For now, we're done.